My name is Federico Plaza from Roche, Spain. Thank you very much for coming here. And my question is related between the coordination, related to the coordination between the EMA and the authorities of pricing and reimbursement, not of Spain, of the member states, because we see that there is a relevant evolution about the way of doing the things in the EMA, for example, the adapt smart strategy based on looking for a specific designation for products that needs an accelerated development, or the prime or pre-med qualification, or the adaptive pathways, or new design for clinical trials, considering that now we can access to data that were impossible in the past, for example, genomic data for patients that can change the design of clinical trials, the size of the people that are involved in clinical trials. But for example, these fast-track decisions sometimes are not considered in this direction for the member states. I see that there is a bit of disalignment, of lack of coordination between the way of doing the things in the last times coming from the EMA and the decision in pricing and reimbursement of the member states. How do you see this?
Yeah, I agree with you. We know we have that disalignment. It's true. And now we are in very, very friendly conversation with EMA, management team, speaking about prime, about possibilities to really to address those issues related. How can we extend cooperation mechanisms? But in another hand, it is also depends on member states. Look, if you look we propose to exchange data, speaking about EURIPID system, but information is not valid. Why? It's a cooperation of member states is very, very, how to say, very weak. Look, now we have, we push very much member states to cooperate, speaking about exchange of views on pricing and pricing issues. Okay, Benelux group, Netherlands, Luxembourg, Belgium, and Austria, one group. Valletta group, another group, speaking about issues related to exchange of information. But you see that activity is not so high. And the same, speaking about possibilities to encourage member states bodies to cooperate, and clinical trials issues are very complex one. I count on activities from patients' organization side, because patients' organizations now they are more and more vocal, and it can help us to see what can we do in area of overcome disalignment, as you just mentioned. I fully agree with you. We need to do more.